problem number 12, we have a parallelogram. Now, a parallelogram has two sets of parallel lines. That symbol means parallel. Okay? So it has two sets of parallel lines. In other words, this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to this line. So I have two sets of parallel lines. Okay? Now, to find the area of a parallelogram, you just need the formula for the area of the parallelogram, which is the base times the altitude height. Now, the base is just 10 kilometers times the altitude height. I know the altitude height forms a 90-degree angle with the base, so that would be 7 kilometers. 10 times 7 is 70. Kilometers times kilometers is kilometers squared. So the area of this parallelogram is 70 kilometers squared.